Right now, as you watch this, 37 trillion cells inside your body are running a biological program that predates the dinosaurs. This system has been executing across billions of organisms since the first microscopic life appeared in a primordial ocean 3.8 billion years ago. But there is a reason cells don't simply stay as they are. To persist, life faces a constant pressure to expand and replace itself. You see this in the way a child's bones lengthen over a decade, or in the way a deep scrape on your knee disappears within a few days. It is also the process that manages embryonic development, the coordinated series of splits that builds an entire human body from a single fertilized egg. This sequence is known as the cell cycle. It covers the full lifespan of a cell, from its initial formation and the duplication of its internal genetic blueprint, to the moment it physically splits into a new generation. By constantly repeating this cycle, your body is able to maintain its structure and recover from the wear and tear of existing. Within your body, this division takes one of two distinct paths. The first occurs in somatic tissues, the cells forming your skin, your organs, and your muscles. This critical biological protocol is known as mitosis. It acts as the body's daily builder, and its mandate is to create exact genetic clones of the original cell. This is an equational division. A parent cell starting with 46 chromosomes duplicates its blueprint, so each daughter cell receives exactly 46. Inside the nucleus, duplicated chromosomes align at the center, then matching halves are pulled apart to opposite sides. While mitosis sorts the blueprint, the cell's physical splitting is called cytokinesis. The membrane pinches inward until the two new cells separate. This regulated copying mechanism ensures your tissues remain genetically consistent, acting as a biological insurance policy that keeps the organism functioning. But deep within the reproductive organs, the cycle follows an entirely different set of instructions. This highly specialized protocol is called meiosis. Its purpose isn't to repair your current body, but to generate the gametes, the egg and sperm cells, required to create new life. Instead of copying the blueprint, this process halves the data, stepping chromosomes from 46 down to 23. Chromosomes swap segments, ensuring unique genetic code. After this shuffle, a second division creates 4 distinct half-capacity cells. Mitosis ensures you remain the exact same person from day to day. Meiosis provides the genetic variety that allows a species to adapt to new environments and avoid the risks of biological stagnation. Side by side, the divergence is clear. A single cell yielding 2 identical copies for maintenance versus one cell producing 4 unique variations for the future. One path handles the daily requirements of growth and repair, while the other facilitates the generational leap of sexual reproduction. This reduction is the key to fertilization. When a sperm with 23 chromosomes fuses with an egg with 23, the full 46 is restored. One of these programs maintained your physical body today. The other program built your entire existence 9 months before you were born. This 3.8 billion-year chain of division is the underlying architecture that allows life to persist and diversify on Earth. In our next video, we're going deeper into the specific phases of mitosis to see exactly how the nucleus sorts that genetic data. Subscribe now so you don't miss it.